guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, which is a pretty easy look. Like, obviously because of filming and stuff like that, the video is gonna be longer, but in actual reality this look takes like 30 minutes 20 minutes to do. This is gonna be like an easy makeup tutorial for back to school for college girls. And I didn't forget about you high school girls. It's just that I didn't want to have restrictions with this look, because in high school it's a whole different level, a whole different thing, and college is different. I'm in college and I just wanted to have something for like the older girls, because a lot of these tutorials are for girls in high school and very minimal, but I want to show you how to slay in college for my older girls. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
It's about time, maybe we'll make it known.
For face primer, I've been loving this Never Touch Up face primer from Ruby Kiss, and this is goodbye to pores. This is really just a pore filler, and it really smooths out your skin. Me, because I do have problematic skin, very dry skin, my pores look, you know, are kind of exaggerated some days. This really helps to smooth out everything. And using this primer, I feel like I don't have to try as hard with my foundation. Now for foundation, sister, I've been loving this Infallible Fresh Wear foundation from L'Oreal. It's kind of like, honestly, it's kind of like the one in the squeezy tube, the first Infallible foundations that came out, and everyone was in love with them. I was in love with them when I first started my YouTube, but that one is really, really, really matte and really, really, really full coverage. This one is a little bit more, it looks a little bit more like skin. It's more of a demi matte or like semi matte. I'm also loving this Makeup Revolution London concealer. It wears better than any concealer that I have. Another one that I would suggest is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can't go wrong with this, especially when you're on a budget. It's about $3. It lasts you forever, and they have a really, really good color selection. Now the color selection is a bit off. They do run a little bit red, but you can tweak it with powders and things and whatever you set it with. But the formula, like this, just, it doesn't crease throughout the day, or sometimes under my eyes, because I have dry skin, I get those really little tiny bumps, like basically like really dry skin. Whatever concealer I put there sometimes will like separate and do that really weird thing, but this doesn't do that at all. So I take the L with the shade because I love the formula so much. Really pay attention to what powders you put on your face and what is best for your skin type. For me, I love this Maybelline Fit Me powder, the loose powder. Once again, the shades are a little bit off, so it might be hard to find the perfect highlight shade for you or the perfect all over shade for you. You can get them at like Walgreens and like drugstores and stuff like that. And drugstores, they have a really good return policy on makeup, being that you can like use almost like 70% of the product and still return it. And that's good for a college girl on a budget. You know, you gotta save those coins. You know, you're trying to save up for a car, you're trying to save up for moving out of your parents' house, like you're trying to save up for loans. Like, come on, save money. You don't have to get those really expensive powders and things like that. Now, the way I set my face is kind of different from like a lot of other people. Some people will just go in straight like this and bake their face with powder. Me, because I have dry skin, I don't like doing that. I'm gonna blend out my under eye and just make sure everything is really blended. Then I'm gonna take my sponge dip it in my powder, but I'm going to tap the excess off on my hand so it's not just going in with a bunch of powder. And then I'm gonna lay that down on those areas and kind of like push the powder into the skin and not just let it sit there. Now, I don't know if it's coming up on camera or not, but as you can see, this powder is not like a stark white powder. It's not like a really, really bright highlight for me. It's just like my skin tone. It kind of muted everything out. And also, go over your lash lines if you have that problem, because when you're wearing makeup for a long time, your lash lines might, you know, start to get a little crazy with you during the day, and you like, sis. But now we're gonna go into the brows and just shape them up. Now for this, I use my Morphe 432. A lot of times in my videos, I always forget to tell you guys what brush I'm using. I'm sorry, like I really don't do it on purpose. I'm gonna go in with that same concealer. And I used to carve out like my whole brow, like be here for like 50 minutes just on the concealer part of things. But as you can see, we don't have time for that. Like we have class. Also don't like my brows to look too perfect because then I feel like they look more fake and they look really, really perfect. Like when you line them on the bottom and on the top. On a day-to-day, I'm probably gonna have one shade and it's probably gonna be a matte shade, and I'm gonna run it through my crease, put on lashes, and head out the door. I'm gonna take this palette from Nika K. OMG, Nika K has these really cute little palettes that she just dropped, and they all have like little color themes and really fun colors. Of course, I picked this one up. I'm gonna go in with this like burnt orange shade and really just throw it right in my crease. Now you guys know I always use this e.l.f. powder. Just got me a new one. I love it. This is in the shade Dark Deep. This is a darkest shade though, so but I know Fenty Beauty dropped some bronzer contours. Anastasia, even ColourPop has some contours for like deeper skin tones, so I would definitely check those out. This one is really, really cheap, but I would say definitely try ColourPop because that one is really affordable as well, and they have some good shades. Put some under my nose. I'm gonna do a light contour on my nose with the same powder. Next is time for lashes. These are my favorite lashes right now at the moment. These lashes are so beautiful. It's a decent sized band, but it's not too thick and bulky that it's gonna like overpower your eyes. Hack to life, sis. Like put on some foundation, concealer, and just have some bomb lashes and some bomb lip gloss, and you're good. I lost the footage, but I just applied my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. This one is one of the best highlighters I've ever used. It's about $4-5 at the drugstore, probably $6 now, but it's really inexpensive and it gets the job done. It's so beautiful, especially for brown girls. This is the shade Precious Petals. For lips, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite lip combo right now. I'm going in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. This is like my favorite. That's why it's so small right now. This is like my favorite go-to lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with Nika K lip pencil in the shade Medium Nude. If you can't find Nika K, NYX has a lip pencil in the shade Natural, and I believe that's the same exact shade as this one. So the brown one, I'm lining the outside of my lip. Then I'm gonna take the nude and kind of fill in my lips with this one. You could keep it like this, a matte lip, but let me tell y'all about something. Let me put y'all on, cause this is the best thing that happened to me recently, and this is Nika K's lip gel. This is the rose hip one with vitamin E. And this one got me so tight because I just went in the beauty supply store just to get a regular lip gloss, something so simple and easy to put on. I put it on, it was so thick and glossy. I was like, ugh, I hate thick sticky glosses. Like, ugh. For some reason this one is not just a thick lip gloss, like it's a true gel, so it does stay on your lips for so long. This is the longest lasting gel lip gloss that I've had. Also, it looks poppin'. Also, it doesn't give you that weird ring right here or like build up right here. For some reason, I don't know, like the formula in it, because I guess it's more of a gel than a gloss, it doesn't do that throughout the day. So it makes your lips look so juicy. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna go do my hair and come right back to you guys. Okay, so this is it for my back to school makeup tutorial, college girls edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I put you guys on to some really affordable options and some easy steps to slaying before going to school. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful school year. I wish you nothing but blessings and love and positivity and peace. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.